Hello students, I Prabhat Sharma welcome you to the next content of the financial statement. This is the last content now, but after this I will discuss about you the numerical sum. Now you may see here the marshalling and the grouping of assets and liability. That means this is the presentation of the balance sheet. We can use this is the method of representing the balance sheet and the opening entry how to make. Now you may see the marshalling and the grouping of the assets and liabilities. That means the assets and liabilities are arranged in the order of liquidity or in the order of permanence. Arrangement of the assets and liabilities in a particular order is called as marshalling. So you may see here there are the two types. One is the permanence and second is the liquidity. These are the two types to represent the balance sheet. What is the mean of the order of permanence? In the order of the permanence, generally we represent the assets and liabilities at the top which are permanent, that means fixed, long term. And then order to reduce the term wise the time periods to next one. Means the long term data will be represent first and then the short term data will be represent assets and liabilities. In case of the liquidity, first we represent the data which consists with the liquidity. It means the short-term assets and liabilities, current assets and liabilities will be shown first, and then the fixed assets and liabilities will be represented. So this is the nature of the data. So now you may have to move the specimens of the order of permanence. You may see the furnitures is a fixed asset and then the debtors, bank and cash are the short term. Similarly, the fixed asset means the capital will be taken first, then the long term loan will be taken and then the short term liabilities will be taken. This is the example of permanence. Now the in order of the equity, you may say it is the reverse order. Cash, bank and debtors means the assets, current assets to be listed first and then the long-term asset like furnitures will be listed. Then you may see here this is the specimen like the short-term liabilities will be listed first, then the long-term liabilities will be listed like name is long-term loan and then the capital will be listed. So details of the capital will be listed. So liquidity word is referring start from the liquidity to the permanence and the permanence referring to the start from the permanence to liquidity. Now you may see the opening entry. The opening entry has been that means the balances of the various accounts in the balance sheet are to be carried forward of the one accounting period to the another accounting periods. The one closing of the one period is the opening of the next period. So the balances of the accounting periods becomes the opening of the next period called as opening entry. Like the one example has been taken here, furniture supposed 15,000 given in the balance sheet, debtors, bank and cash. It is from the balance sheet. The all the data you have to take from the asset side to be listed on the debit side and then to the item listed to the liability side with the name of the short-term liabilities, long-term liabilities and the capital will list here. Then you may see the total of the debit and credit will remain same. But these are the balances from the balance sheet forwarded called as opening entry. Thank you.